In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for FedEx delivery driver. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and depending on your region, this may vary a bit, so it may look a bit different. However, it's usually very similar. So whenever you're on here, you first want to scroll to the very bottom of the website, and here under our company, you'll see careers. So click on the careers button, and it's going to take you to their careers over here where you can read all about it. And here you can see it says unbox opportunities, and you have like a bunch of different options where you can basically apply for jobs. So if you want to apply for a delivery driver, you want to click on drivers over here, and then you want to click on take the wheel. Whenever you do that, it's going to allow you to search for driver jobs. Now here, of course, you can read all about it if you want to, even watch some videos over here. Just click on search driver jobs. And when you do that, it's going to take you to a separate tab here where you can basically see like all the different jobs. Okay, so these over here are jobs. You can see employment, company, location, etc. And you can of course click on them in case they're relevant to your location. You could also search by keyword, job title, or MOS code up here, or just by location. So if, for example, I were to type in Los Angeles, California, let's say I'm from there, I could click on that and I could see all the jobs. Okay, so over here, as you can see, there's like a bunch of different ones. You can be like a career or like something like that. Now, let's say, for example, you found a job which you're interested in and you would like to apply. Now, to do this, you simply want to click on View Job next to it. And then when you do so, it's going to take you over here where you can again read all about it, the description, etc. And then you want to click on the apply button here at the top right. When you do so, it's going to take you to a separate page where it's going to ask you to basically chat to this Olivia bot over here at first. So you first want to click on chat to apply. And then here it's going to say review terms. You have to review these. And if you agree with them, click on accept. And then it's going to start processing and it's going to go through. And this Olivia over here is going to start asking you questions. So it's going to be like your first name, last name, and stuff like that. There's going to be a bunch of different questions. Just keep on answering these. And over here you have kind of all the details, descriptions, stuff like that, and basically just chat with Olivia and it will get you through the application, and then you'll get basically like further instructions on how to actually get the application through. And that is the way to apply for a delivery driver at FedEx. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.